Personal assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become integral parts of our daily routines, making life more convenient with just a voice command. These AI-powered assistants can do everything from setting reminders and sending messages to controlling smart home devices and answering complex questions. The beauty of AI in these devices lies in their ability to learn and adapt to your preferences over time, making them more efficient and personalized. For instance, Siri can suggest reminders based on your habits, while Alexa can recommend products you might like based on your previous purchases. Google Assistant goes a step further by integrating seamlessly with other Google services, providing you with a tailored experience across your devices. Whether you're asking about the weather, playing your favorite music, or getting directions, these AI assistants are designed to make life easier and more connected. These personal assistants are constantly evolving, with developers adding new features and improving their ability to understand natural language. This means that as they continue to learn from your interactions, they'll become even more attuned to your needs, making them indispensable tools in your daily life. The convenience and efficiency they offer highlight the incredible potential of AI in making our lives more manageable and productive.